Are you ready to stop just wishing for your dream job and start actively working towards it? We know the feeling. Today, we introduce GradSiren, your partner in turning job-seeking aspirations into real career opportunities. It's easy to get stuck in the wishing phase, hoping a job will magically appear. But wishing without action leads to frustration. GradSiren is here to bridge that gap, providing the platform and tools you need to move from passive hoping to active applying. First, let's talk about why it's time to stop wishing and recognize the barriers holding you back. An effective job search requires dedication and smart strategies, from refining your resume to preparing for interviews. Consistency is your superpower. Regularly applying and following up dramatically increases your chances of success. Say goodbye to repetitive data entry. GradSiren streamlines the application process, saving you valuable time and effort. Thousands of job seekers have already found success through GradSiren. Your next career milestone is within reach. Visit GradSiren.com and apply for jobs today. Stop wishing. Start working.